Welcome to SageBytes, where we unravel philosophy's mysteries one bite at a time. Heard philosophy's only for intellectuals, or that it's abstract speculation with no real-world value. Let's debunk these myths. Myth 1. Philosophy is only for intellectuals. You might think philosophy is reserved for elites pondering life's meaning, but it's for everyone. Take Epictetus, a former slave-turned-influential philosopher. Despite humble origins, he embraced philosophy, becoming a respected mentor. Philosophy knows no bounds. It's accessible to all who seek it. Myth 2. Philosophy has no practical value. Philosophical principles shape our daily lives. Utilitarianism guides ethical decisions, maximizing benefits for many. Social contract theory informs political and legal frameworks, while existentialist philosophy guides personal development and decision-making. Myth 3. All philosophers agree on everything. Philosophy thrives on debate and disagreement. Conflicting viewpoints drive intellectual growth and innovation. Embrace diversity of thought. It deepens our understanding of the world. Myth 4. Philosophy is just abstract speculation. While philosophy starts with abstract concepts, its aim is to illuminate human existence as realities. Political philosophy shapes societal structures. Existential philosophy tackles life's meaning. Philosophy has profound real-world implications, impacting our lives and world profoundly. In conclusion, philosophy isn't just for elites. It's accessible and enriching for all. Let's debunk myths, embrace diverse thought, and embark on an intellectual journey together. Thanks for watching SageBytes. Like, share, and subscribe for more myth-busting content and philosophical explorations. Keep questioning, pondering, and seeking truth.